दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादखौ दाइन जाबसिनदों। बे दाइन जाबसिननायनि थाखाय जोङो दिनै बिथांमोनखौ नंखाय दाय होनायनि थाखाय जों बिथांमोनखौ गोख्रों सोंखारिनो सानदों। बनसु बड'लेण्ड मुभमेन्ट डिसिसन इज रं डिसिसन without proper planning and without proper permission. They are illegally scheduled the Bodoland movement demonstration program at Delhi. This is great mistake, and in this incident the Bodo innocent people had almost suffer and despair failing the movement because of misleading and inability without the vision and mission. That's why it is so crucial to make the right decision at the right moment. But a right decision wrong time becomes a wrong decision. Mr. Sansuma Kungur Bosumutari was a 20 years old, a fat black cat in the member of parliament house, and he was violated the Indian constitutional law, and he was making a great mistake, and they are blaming to the central APSU, and they imbricate the blame to the Dipen Borosar and BTR Chief Pramod Borosar. We cannot accept on their blames. We condemn Mr. Sansuma Kungun Bosumutari and Monjit Monjil and Daurau Dekreb were post-expatriate to gain their personal interest. And Mr. Sansuma Kungur Bosumutari was a narrow patriotism. A narrow patriotism is bad and harmful, and he is sometimes in our enemy in our society. We all know a narrow patriotism cannot bring us to peace, unity and prosperity. And Mr. Sansuma Kungur Bosumutari was a great politician without principle. Politics without principle denied the death of civilized society. There is no principle, there is no truth, nothing we can own, and we cannot believe him. He was a great plotter. Plotter makes us spoil. Plotter makes our society spoil. Plotter makes war. And Mr. Monjit Monjil was very selfish, and he was a greedy person. A selfish may be leader, but nobody respect him. A greedy person always want to more, and a greedy person always lies. Once a lies, always lies. And liar leaders does not lead student organization, and Bodo society cannot respect liar organization, liar leader. We have no needs liar organization and liar leader. Mr. Sansuma Kungur Bosumutari and Mr. Daurau Dekreb and Monjil Monjil, they are also selfishness and greedy person. Selfishness is negative and destructive. It destroys our society and our relationship. Greedy person always want to more. They are always don't like to others' welfares. They are always want to more. Needs can be satisfied, but greedy cannot. The greediest want to be overnight success at the cost of their conscience, and it still does not work. They are always want to be overnight success without any working. And Mr. Sansuma Kungur Bosumutari well known, the Bodoland demand is difficult to achieve success without the cooperation of APSU. APSU always committed and determined. We have no need to prove. And we are request to learn the Bonsu all leader and their colleagues. Learn lesson of life from mistake and never repeat your mistake. Good example make us great, but bad example ruin our lives. Our society no need to liar organization and liar leaders. Our society depend on good intellectual and good leaders and good organization and good politician. We request and I appeal to respond. Every individual and good intellectual and good organization has a social responsibility, without which our society start dying. It is true. And Bonsu are always blamed to us, and they are criticized to us. I request they try to analyze. When you are good to others, you are best to yourself. Most of time, people behavior is reaction to our want. If our motives are good, we assume that the motives of others are good too. If our intentions are bad, we assume that the intention of others are bad. We always want to peace. Peace and unity is lead us, give prosperity and all-round development. But peace and unity not come to speak. Peace and unity come from good deeds and good words. No, we stand, divided we stand, and divided we fall. A single stake easily be broken, but not 10 in a bundle. It is true. Or some youths are, they are using social media and they are involved in anti-social activities. It is not a good sign. Empire on their words makes them lose to the target on their goals. They are busy. They are very busy playing PUBG and they are very busy with social media instead of focusing on their career. It is a good habits are hard to come by but easy to live with. Bad habits come easy but hard to live with. आरो दिनै बे जोङो बिथांमोना जि बड'लेण्ड मुभमेन्ट खालामनानै बिथांमोना जिबायदि दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादखौ खैसार खालामबाय नाथाय बिथांमोननि जि खैसारखौ दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादा जेब्लाबो गिया आरो गिनायबो नङा आरो माखासे राजखान्थिजों दैदेनजानाय जि बनसुनि दैदेनगिरिफोरा दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादखौ सोंखारिनायनिफ्राय गोजानाव थानांगौ बिथांमोनखौ सानो जोङो बिथांमोना जाबाय लान्दोनि एम्बौसो बिथांमोना गोसो जानानै जेबो खामानि मावनो हाया हारिनि समाजनि मोजांनि थाखाय खामानि मावनो हाया बिथांमोना मानो बुङोब्ला राजखान्थि हानजाया जेराव बोनथुमना दोनदों जेराव सोना दोनदों बिब्दिसो खामानि मावो बिनिखायनो जों माखासे जोंनि सांग्रां लाइमोन रायजो राजाफोरखौ जोङो दिनैनि बे प्रेस मिडियानि गेजेरजों बुंनो सानदों बिथांमोननि जि बड'लेण्ड धरनाया माखासे राजखान्थियारि खैसारजों जाहाथे गावसोरनि बेनिफिट लाभालाब मोननो खारनैसो आरो खालामनाय जादों आरो बिनिखायनो बिथांमोनखौ सोंखारिनो नागिरदों आरो सानसुमा कुंकुर बैसुमुतारिखौ सोंखारिनो नागिरदों बिथाङा सासे माने खाबुफला जाय समाव बिथाङा गिबि दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादनि दैदेननायावनो माने एमपि जानानै 20 बोसोर बिथाङा दिल्लीयाव थानानै माखासे बर' समाजनि खामानि मावनो हादोंमोन आरो बे समाव बिथाङा रायजो राजाजों गनायथि मोनदोंमोन मान मोनदोंमोन नाथाय बिथाङा बे समाव गावगायनि टिकेटनि लाबालाबनि कारनै बिपिएफजों माने लोगो नांनानै माखासे समाव बिथाङा बर' हारिखौ खैसार साबाय थादों आरो बिथांनि बे खैसाराव जोङो बर' हारिया जेब्लाबो माने लेमनो थाङा मानो बुङोबा माखासे जोङो आगोलनि जारिमिनखौ गोसोखांनांगोन जोङो जि समाव दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादा हारिखौ खौसे खालामनो माखासे दाङाबाजियाव गुबुन हारिजों माबायदि इउनिटि थानो माबायदि खौसे थानो माखासे हाबाफारियाव जोङो दुलाराय बर' फरायसा आफादा गासैबो हारि माहारिखौ लानानै जि मोनसे समाजखुंथाय बे सिभिलाइजेसन मुगायाव सोद्रोम सुबुं हिसाबै थांनानै दं आरो दिनैखायनो जों हास्थायो मा बिटिआर एकर्डनि उनाव जे सान्ति फैनायनि उनाव बिथांमोना जि माने सिरिबाङै थानो हायाखै बिथांमोना सानदों नामा माने बिटिआर एकर्डआ माने सानसेयावनो जानाय बा बिटिआर एकर्डनि उनाव गासैबो दफाफोरा माने मावजोबनो हानाय नाथाय बिथांमोना बिपिएफनि थानाय समाव 17 बोसोराव माने कार्बि हालंनि जि एसटि स्टेटास बिथांमोना 17 बोसोराव मावफुंनानै होनो हायाखै नाथाय बे समाव बिथांमोना सानदों मा बिटिआर एकर्डआ 2020 नि 27 जानुवारियाव जाना थांनायनि उनाव दिनै 2 बोसोर बारनायनि उनावबो बिथाङा इमप्लिमेन्टनि गासैबो खामानिखौ मावफुंनो हायाखै बुंनानै बुंदों नाथाय बिथांमोना साननांगौ गावसोरो 17 बोसोराव कार्बि आंलंनि ST हिल्सनि डिमान्डखौ मानो मावफुंनानै होनो हायैया बिनिखायनो बिथांमोनखौ जों सोंथि खालामदों जाहाथे बेबायदि हारियाव दाङाबाजि गुबुन हारिजों दाङाबाजि गावजों दाङाबाजि जाहाथे गाज्रि सिचुएसन खालामोब्ला बिनि थाखाय बिथांमोनखौ जों सांग्रां जानानै थानो थाखाय खावलायबाय जाहाथे रायजोआ माने जिबायदि सान्थि जौगानाय लुगैदों आरो जाय हारियाव सान्थि गैया गोरोबलायनाय गैया अनलायनाय गैया बे हारिया जेब्लाबो जौगानो हानाय नङा बिनिखायनो जों बे प्रेस मिडियानि गेजेरजों बिथांमोनखौ खावलायनो नागिरदों नोंथांमोना फरायसा आफाद खालाम नोंथांमोना बनसु खालाम नाथाय माखासे राजखान्थिनि माने खैसार साननायाव नोंथांमोना जाहाथे गाब्र'आ बिनि थाखाय बिथांमोनखौ खावलायबाय आरो जोंनि माखासे गोदान लाइमोनफोरा जाहाथे ससियेल मिडियानि गेजेरजों बायदि बायज्रि फेसबुकाव लिरनानै गाज्रि बांसावनाय खोनासंनो हायो गाज्रि राव बाहायनाय बेफोरनिफ्राय गोजानाव थानांगौ मानो होनबा लाइमोन समानो सोलोंथाइ लानायनि सम गावखौ दाफुंनायनि सम बिनिखायनो जों बे मिडियानि गेजेरजों खावलायदों जाहाथे इयुनाव जोंनि लाइमोनफोरा बिथांमोननि थुस्लायनायाव माखासे माने खाबु फलानफोरनि खैसाराव जाहाथे गोबावखौबा बेखौनो जोङो दिनै बे प्रेस मिडियानि गेजेरजों गासै रायजो राजाफोरखौ सांग्रां जानानै थानो थाखाय खावलायबाय आरो उननि समाव रायजो राजाफोरा माबे दिगजों थांबोला बर' समाजा दावगागोन माबे दिगजों थाङोबा जोंनि सोलोंथाइया दावगागोन माजे दिगजों थाङोब्ला जोङो गासैबो अलराउन्ड जौगानायखौ लाबोनो हागोन आरो सान्थि परिबेकआव जों थानानै गावनि न'खराव थानानै गावनि हारिखौ सिबिलांनो हायो बेखिनिखौ जोङो गासैबो अर्गेनाइजेसनफोरा माहारियारि गौथुमफोरा जाहाथे बेखौ नोजोर होयो जाहाथे बे बड'लेण्ड मुभमेन्ट गोदान बनसुनि दानायजों जाहाथे जोंनि बर' हारिफोरा गुबुंले बारहोआ आरो जोंनि समाजाव गाज्रि मोनसे सिचुएसन लाबोआ बेखौ जोङो रायजो राजाफोराबो गावबा गावनो